Hello everyone and welcome to Cooking Delights. Today I'm going to show you all how to make a quick mayo mushroom sandwich. The ingredients are some finely chopped mushrooms, 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 tablespoons of veg mayonnaise, some brown sliced breads and some fresh lettuce leaves. Place your non-stick pan on the stove and keep it on a medium flame. Add in your freshly chopped mushrooms and 1 tablespoon of butter and mix all these ingredients well. Mushrooms are good for your body as it provides antioxidants and potassium. Once the mushrooms releases its water, keep cooking until all the water has been evaporated. Your mushrooms are ready. Keep it aside, let it cool and add in some veg mayonnaise. Mix all these ingredients well. Toast your brown sliced breads on both the sides. Use brown bread as it contains more nutrients and fiber than the white bread. Add your mayo mushroom mixture on the bread along with some lettuce leaves. Lettuce are a good source of iron and fiber. And there you go, your mayo mushroom sandwich is ready. It looks good and it tastes good. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. We will be back with more videos.